Hello everyone. If you know me from this channel, you know that we usually talk about engineering subjects and mathematics. But today, I want to share something important with you. I have started a new YouTube channel about stock market learning and financial literacy. As a teacher, I always felt that education should not only help us pass exams, but also help us make better financial decisions in life. Unfortunately, many students and even professionals do not learn about investing and financial literacy early. And when they finally start learning, sometimes they fall into risky trading or wrong advice. My philosophy is very simple. You do not need to quit your job to succeed in the stock market. You just need patience, discipline, and ability to identify low risk opportunity. This is exactly what I will be teaching on the new channel. So, salary, discipline, and smart investing will bring long term wealth. So, my new YouTube channel name is DS Classroom. On this channel, I will share stock market basics, TradingView tutorials, demand and supply analysis, and low risk entry strategy. This content will be useful for students and salaried professionals. So, if you are interested in learning about investing and financial awareness, I invite you to check out the new channel. I have given the link in the description box. So please join and please do support as you have supported my previous YouTube channel, that is Tutoring Cluster. Thank you for watching this video.